How to use Trumpira.gov. Trumpira.gov is a website designed to offer a new approach to individual retirement accounts, or IRAs. Unlike traditional IRAs, this platform allows you to self-direct your investments, giving you more control over where your money goes. It's linked to former President Donald Trump, aiming to attract investors interested in alternative retirement strategies. The key is that you aren't limited to stocks and bonds. You can invest in real estate, private companies, and other assets. This flexibility is what sets Trumpira.gov apart from many standard retirement accounts. To get started on Trumpira.gov, you first need to create an account. This involves entering your personal details and verifying your identity, just like other financial platforms. The site uses encryption and secure protocols to keep your information safe. Once registered, you'll have access to a dashboard where you can view investment options, check your account balance, and manage transactions. The user interface is designed to be simple, even if you're new to self-directed IRAs. One of the most exciting features of Trumpira.gov is the variety of investment opportunities. You can diversify your retirement savings by investing in real estate projects, private businesses, or even precious metals. This approach can potentially increase your returns, but also requires more research and risk management. The platform provides tools and resources to help you evaluate each option before committing your funds. Using a self-directed IRA means you have the power to tailor your portfolio to your financial goals and risk tolerance. Once your investments are in place, Trumpira.gov offers account management features that keep you informed. You can monitor your portfolio's performance, make additional contributions, or request distributions when eligible. Regular updates and statements help you stay on top of your retirement planning. If you ever have questions, customer support is available to guide you through any challenges. Staying actively engaged with your account is crucial to maximizing your retirement savings. Before diving deep into Trumpira.gov, it's important to understand some key considerations. Self-directed IRAs have IRS rules that must be followed to avoid penalties, such as prohibited transactions and required minimum distributions. Additionally, fees may be higher compared to traditional IRAs due to the nature of alternative investments. The risks can be greater, but so can the rewards. Consulting with a financial advisor or tax professional can help you navigate these complexities and make informed choices. Subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.